Time for another Crimson Desert tutorial, and today I am going to show you how to complete this little puzzle. It is Unravel the Secret of the Ancient Ruins, the Duskwood Hill Ruins. First, what we want to do is we want to get rid of all these brambles or these thorns that are on this thing. So we're going to just we're going to do a focus light on them, and we're going to burn these away because we're going to need to use this contraption to complete this puzzle. So just burn those away. There we go. And then we're going to go over here and we want to burn those away from all those columns up there as well. So just focus that light and set those on fire. It's kind of satisfying watching them all burn. Once those are all burned away, we can use our sword on this middle contraption. See that far left column, how it glows yellow? We want all of them to glow yellow, and they all have to be the same height. And to do that, we're going to use a stab attack and go right into that little hole on this side, and then we're going to move it to the top there and move all three of those columns on the right all the way up until they light up all orange or yellow. And it's going to keep raising them up. And there we go. We'll remove that sword and then come over here to this side. Let's see, yep, this one right here, and then we're going to stab attack that one. And that will do the number 2 and the number 5 column. Don't worry about number 5. We just want number 2 to get up there to the same height. So it'll be the same height as 1 through 4. All right, there we go. And now you can just fiddle around and use a ton of time putting your sword in there and try to move stuff. Or you could do the little cheese method. Just climb up the column, and you're going to use your force palm and just push that down into the ground. And you can do it by jumping like this, which doesn't work quite as well, but you could do that, a force palm jump, or you can crouch right on the column here, and then you're just going to do the force palm and pound that thing into the ground. And it will move just very slightly. Each time you smash it, it'll keep moving down in there. And then finally, after, I don't know, 5 or 6, 7 smashes, it'll light up all blue, and you will have completed the puzzle. Not too shabby, not too hard, but you could like pull your hair out trying to figure it out, like moving columns up and down without realizing it. I just came across this quest when I was doing the Weight of Legacy. Kind of saw this in the foreground and went and checked it out. Make sure to get that Abyss Crescent and add it to your collection. And there you go. The quest will be completed. Hopefully this was helpful. Let me know in the comments. Until next time, take care and happy gaming, everyone.